I'm Dr. M. Tamil Shelvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The topic is restoration of heritage structure. The restoration of heritage structure is aims to bring back the architectural beauty and aesthetic charm that these buildings once possessed. Skilled craftsmen work meticulously to repair and replace damaged or deteriorated elements using traditional techniques and materials whenever possible. Building restoration describes a particular treatment approach and philosophy within the field of architectural conservation and historic preservation. It emphasizes the preservation of structures such as historic sites, houses, monuments, and other significant properties through careful maintenance. Heritage buildings and sites are remains of our predecessor, a reflection of our past and an essential source of information to trace the evaluation of our society as a civilization. Due to this, the restoration of historic and cultural building is extremely important. This also involves a proper processes of cleaning and adding several fixes to the structure or building itself. So, a well thought approach has to be taken in the process of restoration. Experts such as architects and engineers conduct research in order to understand the project better. This is followed by proper documentation which involves collection of data on the details that is helpful in the next stages. That is finally experts and firms that have specialized experience in restoration or put forward the project. Factors to be considered during restoration or heritage building. So some of the process restoration of building must not lose its original value. It must keep its conventional character intact. The restoration should be able to add additional features to be its beauty and importance. In case of old buildings, elements that are damaged should not be repaired instead they must be replaced. This will expand the shelf life of the building. In addition to this, while selecting the elements replacement or alternative, various parameters must be followed. Texture, color, material, shape, and forms, etc., should be kept in mind while selecting the element. Building codes of a factor that should be followed while making changes to an existing structure or building. This can also affect the safety and security of the structure. So, integrity ought to be maintained throughout the process of making changes to the building. It must be true the materiality, construction type, and the method of existing building. The space should retain the originality with some additional features that were adding during it being restored. Case study. One of the notable examples of restoration is case studies in Notre Dame Cathedral. The cathedral was destroyed due to an accidental fire that caused major damage to the building. The 850 years old spire and roof of the cathedral were damaged. Several modifications were made to retain the structure. The copper statues that were placed on spires had to be removed. The renovation of the Notre Dame has an approximate budget of 6 million euros. This is the restoration and preservation heritage building. This is reconstruction, renovation, rehabilitation, adaptive and reuse. Thank you.